students, welcome back to my channel Trivisha Classes. Students, in today's video I am going to teach you about shapes. So let's move to our class. Hello students, welcome back to the class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So let's begin the class. Students, today what we will learn? We will learn about shapes. You can see I have different types of shapes in my hand. Circle, triangle, square and rectangle. Okay, so let's move on the board. You can see, students, let's see on the board. You can see the shapes: circle, triangle, square and rectangle. Welcome back students to the class. Today I am going to teach you about shapes. Students, you can see I have 4 shapes in my hand: circle, triangle, square, rectangle. Again I repeat: circle, triangle, square, rectangle. Now let's see on the board. See students, circle. Circle has 0 sides and 0 corners. Our first shape is circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Circle has 0 sides and 0 corners. Now I will sing a song for you of the shape circle. Round and smooth, with no sides, no corners, with no sides, no corners. I am a circle, I am a circle. What objects can you see? What objects can you see? Objects, what objects can you see, children? You can see ball, you can see your bangle, you can see clock. They all are the shape of a circle. Circle has no sides and no corners. Now let's come to the next shape. Our next shape is triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Again we will repeat our shape. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. 3 sides and 3 corners. Again, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 sides, 3 corners. Now let's move on to our shape triangle. 3 sides, 3 corners, 3 sides, 3 corners. Can you see? Can you see? I am a triangle, I am a triangle. What objects can you see? What objects can you see? So students, what objects can you see with the shape of triangle? Guess. Tell me. Okay. Birthday cap. Very good. Next. Ice cream. Yes, it's very yummy to eat. And everybody like to eat in summer. So, again we will repeat the shape name. Triangle. 3 sides and 3 corners. Now let's move on to the next shape. Our next shape is square. Now let's look on the board. Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Let's repeat again. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Again, square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Square. 4 equal sides, 4 equal sides and 4 corners and 4 corners. I am square, I am square. What objects can you see? What objects can you see? Tell me, students, what objects can you see of the shape of the square? Tell me, tell me. Okay, very good. Chess, very good. Next. Very good. Carom board, very good. Okay, so our next shape is rectangle shape. Which shape? Rectangle shape. Now let's see on the board. See. Rectangle shape. Now let's spell it. RECTANGLE. Rectangle. Repeat with me again. RECTANGLE. Rectangle. So students, rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Square also has 4 sides and 4 corners. 2 short sides, 2 short sides and 2 long sides and 2 long sides. I am rectangle, I am rectangle. What objects can you see? What objects can you see? Say children, what objects can you see? Book, very good. And door, very good. So students, today we have learned about 4 shapes. Our 4 shapes were circle, triangle, square, rectangle. So what were our 4 shapes? Again, let's see on the board. Circle, triangle, square and rectangle. Circle has 0 sides and 0 corners. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. So students, I hope you watch my video and you may enjoy it. And so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the further notification. See you all. Bye.